Ay, kayo ba ba? Ay, hindi ba? So, no. Ay, kayo ba ba? Ay, hindi ba? So, no.
Spend the day with me. Today is a beautiful day, kaya samahan niyo ako because we're going to the BP office to meet the beautiful candidates of Miss Universe Philippines. So we're now here at the BP office, and here's the beautiful candidates of Miss Universe Philippines. Grabe, ang gaganda nila. Grabe, ang ganda din ng candidate na to. May ako lang yan. I was super happy kasi meron din palang mga influencers na andito. Wait lang, may nakita akong pogi eh. Wait lang, saan ba yun? Saan ba yun? Ayun! Siyempre, mga friend, hindi ako mapapatalo. Rarampa din tayo. Grabe. I am so inspired to really step up now and spread love and good vibes. Kasi look at them. Ang gaganda na, sobrang babait at talino pa. What more can we ask for? So we're here with this gorgeous candidate of Miss Universe Philippines. So I have a question for you. I know how to speak Tagalog. Oh, okay.
I'm working on it. Cool.
What is your Ganda Plus? Like beauty
plus personality.
Yeah.
I think what's so important is real beauty comes when someone can truly shine. I think if you look at someone, of course you have, the hair, the eyes, the body, but when they have a soul, it's something so special, and you can feel somebody's intention when you're with them. So I think Ganda plus the personality for sure.
Yeah, that's very important, the personality.